once again.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be putting the heater water bypass. This is from Power by the Hour, and that's the part number. And then I also got the power steering reservoir with the bracket. So we're gonna be doing this today, and I also got this, so let's get to it. All right, so the Boss 302 intake, I'm not gonna have it installed yet. I must send it to get ported, so that's gonna be for another video. All right guys, so you have two different types of plugs for the heater bypass. So you got this longer one with a thicker, longer bushing, I guess, and the small one with thinner bushing, I guess. I don't know what to call it. So this one, it's gonna go on the right side of the engine, or the passenger side. So I went ahead and lubricated the O-ring already. So just need to install it. Alright guys, so one side is done. So I am using a number 4mm Allen wrench, and that's gonna be for both of the screws. Alright guys, so there you have it. So basically you just screw in those two bypass plates and just the hose. It's pretty simple, and catch you on the next.